Hello everyone. In this video, we will look at how to open an Amazon affiliate account, also called Amazon Associates. Start by going to Amazon Associates in your browser. On the homepage, click Sign Up. If you already have an Amazon account, log in with it. If not, create a new one first. Once signed in, you will enter your account information, such as your name, address, and phone number. Make sure everything is correct. Next, you will add the websites, apps, or social media pages where you plan to use affiliate links. Amazon wants to know how you will promote their products. You will also answer a few questions about your content and how you bring in visitors. Just explain honestly how you create traffic. Then, choose your preferred store ID. This is usually your site or brand name. After that, set up payment and tax details. Review all your details carefully, agree to the operating agreement, and click Finish. Your Amazon Associates account will now be active, and you can start creating affiliate links for products. Thanks for watching.